welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please click on the subscribe button and turn on your notification icon so as to get an update when I upload a new video. So today's video is gonna be about an estate in Abuja called Trademore Estate. Trademore Estate is located at Lugbe, and Lugbe is regarded as one of the popular area in Abuja, and it is largely residential and densely populated. So where you have Trademore Estate is like 17 minutes drive from the business district area of Abuja and 13 minutes drive to the Abuja Airport, and it's been surrounded with so many places you would want to go. Like you have the ShopRite, is still along that same way. You have the Voice of Nigeria transmission station, and you have also other estates like NCC Estate, Shiban Court Estate, Wisdom Estate, and River Park Estate, which is just at the other side of the expressway. So guys, I'm gonna be taking you guys to this estate to see how this estate is like and if you're interested in renting an apartment or getting a house, this is actually gonna be a good place for you to start your life. So guys, without further ado or anything, let me take you guys and let's drive into the estate. On my right here, you see like a little market there where you can get your fruit, your cabbage, your tomatoes, yam, anything you want. Like it's just like a little small market, like a little small farmers market where you can get your items and all. So I can see that is really much helpful for people to buy their things. As you can see along the way, we have some other estates. Like this is it's called Corner Estate by your right. So and this is just more of like the road to Trademore Estate, and you can see it's a tiled road, so you don't have any issues of washing your car every day and you come out and every day you come into mud and all that. So you can see they have a very good access road to the estate and all. You see there's also another, it's a Palm Heights Homes. It's also a nice estate and all that. So guys, keep watching. you can see, we are approaching the Trademore Estate. It's just by your right. So guys, just watch and see how the entrance of the estate looks like. I think we've come to the end of this video. I'm sure you guys are able to see the Trademore Estate work. I'm gonna be doing another comprehensive video where it's gonna show you full details of the houses in Trademore Estate. So guys, if there are any other estates you want me to film our video and all that, so you guys can put down in the comment section and I'll gladly do that. See you guys in my next video. Bye.